Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas gift box under £15. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get to it! So the first thing I'm going to do is cover a shoebox in brown paper. However, life hack, if you don't have brown paper then just use a primer bag, which is what I did, and it saves a little bit of money. It's helpful, yeah. So this is what my one looks like. All I did was cover the outside just so you can see the bright orange, because the inside was completely fine. So for the contents of the box, what I'm firstly going to do is fill it with this stuffing stuff. I can't remember what it's called, but you guys know what it is. It's like paper stuff, yeah. So I'm just gonna fill the bottom of it up. Then for the gifts that are actually going to go inside the box, for this one I'm going to do a hot chocolate set, a bath bomb, some cozy socks and a hand cream. However, for an alternative you could use a link set and just remove all the packaging, some chocolate, socks, figurine and even throw in a game as well if you don't have a price limit to what you need to put in the box. All I'm doing is just removing the packaging from everything. So I'm just taking off the plastic from this hot chocolate set, but I will use the bell and maybe the ribbon later on to add something else to the outside of the box, but I'm just removing it so it looks a bit neater when I put it in. Now all I'm going to do is just place everything aesthetically pleasingly into the box in a nice kind of layout as best as I can, like so. So for the decoration I have a variety of things that I could use. I have Scrabble letters, I have ribbon, and these little wooden reindeers and my silver bell from earlier, but I'm only going to use the ribbon, bell and the wooden reindeers. For the outside of the box, all I'm going to do is tie around a red ribbon, and I'm just going to thread on the label, well the gift tag, and the little silver bell from before, but you can kind of add whatever you want onto, and I'm going to put them on before I tie up the bow, and I'm just going to tie the bow to finish it off. So this is what my one looks like, however yours might look different depending on your decorating. This is really just a base and you can kind of just decorate it however you want and add whatever you want into the box. This is just what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry that my voiceover was a little bit bad. I also have a bit of a cold, so I sound a bit weird. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time.